Powerful affirmations with a magical effect. Abundance. Wealth affirmations. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am a magnet for prosperity and success. The universe is conspiring to bring me wealth. Opportunities to create wealth are everywhere around me. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. Health healing affirmations. My body is healing itself naturally and perfectly. Every cell in my body radiates perfect health. I am filled with energy and vitality. Every day I release all negativity and embrace vibrant health. My mind, body, and soul are in perfect harmony. Love relationship affirmations. I attract loving and harmonious relationships effortlessly. My heart is open to love and love flows freely to me. I deserve deep, meaningful, and fulfilling relationships. I radiate love and attract the perfect partner for me. I am surrounded by love in all areas of my life. Confidence, self-empowerment affirmations. I am powerful beyond measure. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am fearless, unstoppable, and confident. I create my own reality with my thoughts and actions. Manifestation law of attraction affirmations. Everything I desire is already making its way to me. I am a powerful creator and I manifest my dreams effortlessly. The universe always provides for me in miraculous ways. I align my thoughts with abundance and abundance follows me. I attract miracles into my life every day. Happiness, positivity affirmations. I choose happiness and joy in every moment. Good things are always coming my way. I'm grateful for the abundance of happiness in my life. My life is filled with joy, peace, and love. I am a beacon of positivity and inspire others around me.
Are you interested in astrology? Then contact me.